Brokenness is real. Pain is real. But you know what? So is God's healing. God's healing is so real. Psalm 147 and verse 3 talks about God healing the brokenhearted. And he also binds up wounds. Yes, what is your situation like? He wants to heal you. He wants to heal your broken heart. He wants to heal and heal and heal. Whatever it is that the enemy has thrown to you and has led you to have a broken heart, take it to him. Yes, give it to him the way it is. He heals the brokenhearted and he binds up the wounds. He doesn't just heal. His healing is extraordinary. When he heals completely. It is complete healing. Give it to him and see what he will do. Stand up and declare words of faith. I am healed. I am restored. Jesus Christ is binding up my wounds. What do you need healing for today? The Lord is ready to come through for you. Stand up, declare, decree the word of God. Let the word of God work for you, work for your situation. He's ready to help you and help you and help you. God bless you.